Hello my naturalistas, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. So like you've seen in the description box or in my title, I'll be doing for the first time ever a 3-strand twist out or twist to do thing. Yes, I saw it on YouTube the other day and I decided to try it out, and I was asking around on my Instagram, which you can see right here, right here on my Instagram, if my viewers would be interested in seeing how I do the 3-strand twists. I've been having persons say that it provides really good definition and say that your curls will be popping, so I'm looking for the pop and the definition, and I really can't wait to try it. So this is my first time doing this. It will be a first time / how-to video because looking at it, it does not look complicated, but you never know when you're first trying it. So yes, for this 3-strand twist out, I'll be using this. This is the As I Am Twist Defining cream. Twist Defining cream, and I got it from a Monty's Hair and Beauty Supply store. So if you live in New Providence, they're located on Soldier Road. This is where I got it from. I saw it fitting for me to use this while I did my 3-strand twist out. So guys, please bear with me. It's my first time doing this twist out. So I think I want to do an up close shot of it so that you guys can see how I do it. However, before we go, I would like to first say please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Please subscribe, that red button with the subscribe word on it. Please press that and click the bell right next to it. I want you guys to comment down below so that I can send this video up on the rankings and the charts for anyone that wants to know how to do a twist out, 3-strand twist out. Yeah. Okay, so let's start this. Let me take this off. Okay, so let's start this. So as you guys can see, at this moment in time, today is Sunday, which is the day I normally do my my protective styling day, and my hair is already washed, moisturized, sealed, everything, so we're good. So what I was thinking is that I probably will I think I'm gonna part this a bit. Gonna part this right here because I want it to be, a bit more up. So guys, from the get-go, I knew that twisting this was going to be a problem, and let alone dividing these into 3 equal sections to 3-strand twists. I knew it's going to be a problem, and it really was a problem. So this right here was my first time trying to do the twists, and guys, it was a struggle. It was a real struggle, okay? I found myself plaiting and then trying to almost do a 2-strand twist. This first twist had so much things wrong with it. So much things. I don't know what in the world I was doing, and it just became a lot. At one point I thought I was getting it, and then I ended up started braiding. Like y'all can see here, I look like I'm braiding. And then I started to try bring it over, and it's just no. It was no. It just wasn't it. So as you can see here, I just gave up and just transitioned to 2-strand twist at the end of it, and I'm annoyed at this point. I'm just over it. So at this time, I just decided just to go to University of YouTube and try to do this again because this was garbage in my head. I know. I came back with a vengeance, and I was determined to get this correct because 3-strand twist, I promise you guys, and I'll deliver. Point blank period. So I must say that I think this time was a bit more easier for me, honestly, because I got a better perspective of what each strand is supposed to be doing at each particular moment. So as you can see, I was just moving at a nice slow pace so that I can know what each strand is doing and getting it correct. And I was proud of myself, especially when I got more towards the middle. I just kept going and going and going and going and going and going and going. And y'all, just wait for y'all to see the final product, because I was proud of the second twist. Like, first the worst, second the best. Basically, that's what this twist was telling me. Second the best, and third isn't the dirty donkey, but third is extra best. So now it's time for me to show you guys how to do it properly. Okay, so the first one was very rough. The second one got a little better. And it's a lot longer. Yeah, that was rough. So with this one, I think I'll be able to show you guys what I've learned with me trying it. Okay. Essentially what I did is I took part 1 and I bring it over part 2 and 3 while holding it. So this is part 1, and 2 and 3 is over. Then I bring part 2 and bring it over part 1 and 3. And I just do the same thing over and over, like a rotation. So whichever one is part 1 in part 1 spot becomes part 1, and you just bring that over while holding the other 2, and you just bring it over. I think I'm getting it a bit better, guys. So you just bring it over the 2. So whatever one is this way, you bring it over, and the second one becomes your part 1, and you bring that over. That's all you're doing. It's really easy to get it to start plaiting, because it becomes so much of a habit. If you do one wrong hand gesture, you will end up. Alright, guys. And this is my so this is gonna take a while, so boom. So I think I've got it a tiny bit down pat, guys, because I found myself, I did decide to do the braid first. I don't know if you can see, but I decided to do the braid first for some of them, and I did the full twist out, 3-strand twist for the rest. And then the ones that were too short with some strands, I transitioned to 2-strand twist at the ends for some of them. So that worked out really well for me. But what I really wanted to show you guys is the possible definition, because the one in the back that I did before, the puffiness at the beginning of the roots was not blending in with everything else. So y'all, look at the possible definition. Look at that. Look at it. And I didn't have to be separated or anything like that, so this looks really nice. And it isn't even fully dry, so imagine when it gets fully dry. I'm so excited. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do that one over, and then I'm gonna show you how I'll be styling the top part. Okay guys, so I'm on the last one, I think this will be one y'all will be able to see way much more better. Find your curls. That's all I'm doing, guys. It's just a circular motion. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay my edges a little bit. So I'm going to use this seam cream to lay them a little bit. Mainly because it works so well with my hair, so I figured it may work well on my edges. Because it really just keeps everything so stiff and in place. So I figured I should do the same thing with the rest of my hair. Now keep in mind, not everything that works on my hair will work on your hair. However, when you do find something that works for your hair, you take it and you run with it. And for right now, this is working on my edges for now really well. So I'm taking it and I'm running with it. I think I did pretty good. I really do. The braiding at the beginning really helped because when I first did it to the one down here, it was not cute at all. I did not like it. It was so puffy and it wasn't as stiff as I'd like it. But I must say, this feels way much more tighter than my 2 strand twists. And I just can't wait till I get to loose them out. If I get to loose them out. But if you want to see the loosed out look, just go on my Instagram. I'll have it right here. And you can look at the look and see how it comes out. But right now, this is how it looks. And I'm totally loving it. I'm put some earrings on so we can see how it will look. With some earrings. Because I look pretty bare right now. Okay. I got a little something. These ones are probably too big. They're like hoops. Okay. Okay. Hold on. If I do like a little. Woo! Okay. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Put this next one on first. Okay, so I'm getting a general look. Okay, so it's not so bad. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. I like to see what you think of it. And if you do a 3-strand twist, please take a picture and add me on Instagram at LeNaturalista on Instagram or Facebook, whichever one works. I really want to see you guys so I can post you guys. But this is how it looks. And for the finished look, like I said, you can go on Instagram. But other than that, I just got one thing to say.